Wenzhou Trying Me Technology Company Limited is established in 2020. It is subsidiary company of Wenzhou Charming Gifts and Crafts Company Limited. We are specializes in producing non-woven bags, PP woven bags, RPET bags, polyester bags, felt bags, cotton bags, cooler bags, bamboo bags, and so on. With the development of the company, we have passed BSCI and L'Oreal audit. Our company covers more than 4,000 square meters. There are over 100 employees in our company. We have 3 sets of computerized printing machines, 1 set of lamination machines, 3 sets cutting machines, and more than 80 sets of sewing machines. Monthly, we can produce at least 500,000 pieces of shopping bags. Moreover, all of our goods are mainly shipped to European and US market. All of our material and printing ink are all comply with requirements of European and US standards. Fast delivery, best service, highly quality is our superiority. We are proud of that. We have our professional sales team and production team. Since during 12 hours you can get our detailed quotation, 7 days we can deliver the goods for urgently orders. So charming bag are highly praised by many different customers all over the world. We warmly welcome all of clients and companies worldwide to build up cooperation with us. Your trust will be my highly pleasure. I have confidence that Charming Bag will be your top supplier for shopping bags. Hope you will contact and join us now.